Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna talk about Python. So if you want to install Python on your PC, you're on the right video. So in my PC, if I go to CMD and then type Python here, as you can see, nothing is happening. Microsoft Store is opening here. It means Python is not installed on my PC, that's why it's happening. Same thing with Python 3, nothing, right? So we are gonna install Python from scratch and also run our first script in 7 minutes. Let's go. So to install Python, you first have to open the browser and go to google.com and type Python. As you can see, the first link, download Python. Click on that. After that, you have to install the latest version of Python. As you can see, the latest version of Python in my case is 3.12.5. But in your case, it may be different. So you have to make sure you install the latest version. Let's download that. So when you click on download, you have to select the location where you want the executable to be placed. So in my case, I will select desktop and then click on save. As you can see, the executable is here. So yeah, click on that and install Python. Click on install now. And here, as you can see, it's installing Python. It's very simple, guys, not a rocket science. So you have to just wait and let the setup do its job. As you can see, setup is installed. So now click on close. And now Python is installed on your PC, guys. Let's go. You have did it. But we have to check, right? So yeah, let's go again to CMD and let's see. Do my PC know what is Python now? What is Python? What the hell? It's opening Microsoft Store again, but I have installed Python, right? Oh, maybe it's Python 3. Let's go with Python 3. Here we go. Oh my god, it's not opening. Okay. Let's try pip. And what the hell? Pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. But I have installed Python, right? So where did it go? So guys, relax. Whenever you type something in CMD or PowerShell, let's go with happy. How does that know what happy is, right? Your computer doesn't know that. So your computer doesn't know Python. So how you can make your computer know Python? To do that, computer uses something called environment variables. Click on the search and go to environment variables. Edit the environment variables and go to environment variables. These are the path, as you can see. These are the path where our CMD is searching for the executable of Python, right? So it's there, right? We can see Python launcher is here. So why this is not working? Let's try to fix this. First of all, go to that specific location. As you can see, here we go. This is py and pyw. So if we go to py, Python will work, right? But I don't want that. I want Python, right? So I will click on exit and now. So now I want to give it a path to Python executable, not that py thing, right? So you have to go to programs again, Python. As you can see, this is the folder where Python is installed. Here is the executable of Python. So we have to include that specific location so that our CMD can search for that. Okay, so copy that, go to environment variables, click on new. Or you can also edit that because it is not in our case any helpful. But if you want to have that py thing, you don't have to delete that. You can just click on new. Okay, but I will edit that anyway. Click on that and just paste it. Click on OK. Here we go. We have did that. Click on OK. OK again. Now Python will work. You have to close the CMD and open it again. As you can see, finger crossed, Python. Here we go. Python is here, guys. So we have did that, right? No, because pip is also needed, right? We need pip too, but pip is not working, right? So you have to first locate where pip is. So if I go to scripts, here we go. This is the pip executable. You have to copy that location also and give it to environment variables. So guys, you learned two things, right? Installing Python and the thing about environment variables, right? Clap for yourself, guys. Click on new now, paste that link. Okay again. Now pip will also work. Close CMD, open CMD again. Now if I select pip, here we go. Pip is working. Python is working in our PC. Now what's the case, guys? Let's run our first script. I will make a new folder. Open that. And guys, I will open Notepad to let you guys know that you don't need an ID if you know programming. This is my first program, so I will name it first.py. Okay, now it's a py program. No, this is not the extension. I have to view file name extension and now I have to give the name first.py. Here we go. Yes, now it's a Python program, right? Yeah, now it's a Python program. So I will open it in Notepad. Yeah, guys, in Notepad. Let's go. Notepad. Now you can write your Python code. If I go to print and the most important coding line, hello world. Here we go. Save that. How we can compile this, right? So guys, no worries. I am here. I will tell you. Go to the folder, click on CMD. Now go to Python, name of your program, enter. And here we go. Our hello world is running. Now you can install VS Code, Sublime Text, anything you want. Python will work on your PC. I have shown you the most basic concept of Python, how to run Python. I can run Python directly from here, guys. As you can see, print, hello world. Here we go, guys. Python is running. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.